Today, we're gonna deep fry another classic dish.
But we don't know what it is. Happy Friday!
We've pulled hundreds and hundreds of recipes from these classic cookbooks.
And put them in our big old recipe box.
We'll each spin the Friday big wheel to see what type of dish we'll be deep frying.
Then that type of recipe is randomly pulled from the big old recipe box.
If you don't think the dish will deep fry, you've got 2 more shots.
But if you get to the third recipe, you have no choice but to deep fry it.
Now, we can go pick up the dish,
Or we can make it ourselves.
then we'll each deep fry our randomly selected dish.
And we'll let you know if it's a fry yay
Or a fry nay. Oh, here we are again with this
I
fry
love it.
wheel.
It's been forever since we've seen you last.
I know, we took
at
a little
the fry wheel.
I know, we had to take a little break for the fry wheel, and my therapist thinks it was a good idea. I needed a little break from this thing.
My nutritionist thought it was a great idea.
It's true. All of our advisors are saying you should step away from the fry wheel. But our last adventure in Fryland, was great. I did fried donuts.
Those were so good.
Amazing.
And the bacon was not too shabby either.
I'm telling you, it was award-winning.
Oh, it was nice and crunchy.
Very crunchy. So, all right, let's tell them what our categories are.
All right, so we've got appetizers, breakfast and brunch, soups and salads, handhelds, and beef.
Okay, and we've also got poultry, pork, seafood, sides, and dessert. We've been getting a lot of pork lately. No, poultry. Anyway.
Oh, I've missed it. I think it's your turn.
Is it my turn?
Yeah, well, I'm demanding it be your
okay,
turn.
well, let's get, come on, Fry.
Yes,
Will be good
come
to me.
on, Fry Daddies.
Here we go.
Just give him a soup or a salad.
No, I don't want to soup or salad. Come on.
Handhelds. All you ever do are handhelds.
No, I feel like I'm like Hands Across America. Okay, for those of
Holding
you
a donut, a fried donut.
old enough to remember that.
All right, come on, dig deep.
Dig deep. For
Yes.
a deep handheld. I've gotten this multiple times. Stromboli with sausage. The fry gods are really wanting me to do this. I'm gonna pass.
You know what? You stick
I
that to
should
the
do
back.
it. I should do it just to get it out of the way. But
All right.
I don't.
You got 2 more spins.
All right. I'm feeling good about this one. I think 2 is going to be my lucky number.
Oh,
I say that. And I'm gonna
Seafood!
Well, my last venture in seafood was sushi.
Ooh.
And
I had a good one.
You did scallops, and that was
good.
amazingly good.
Come on, Chris.
That fried scallops, I would order that. It was that. Oh, crab cakes.
So wait a minute. So you have to fry
Well,
already
crab cakes
fried.
are all they're basically
breaded.
likely fried in a skillet, but I would have to batter them and then deep fry them.
Wow.
That's
I love crab cakes.
I do too. I love the.
So you'd have to take the breaded crab. Or you could figure that out.
Yeah. I'm so tempted, and I'm probably going to regret this, but I'm gonna go for another one.
Oh, his third and final spin.
I know. I know.
I thought for sure you were going to do that one.
I know. Should I do it?
No, you've already made the decision. Spin
okay.
it.
All right. Sorry.
Oh, you're going to get a Whopper. I know that. A Whopper would be good.
No, I've done a sandwich before. Those are hard.
Oh, that's right.
Please be nice to me.
Seafood again.
All right.
It's telling you the wheel is talking to you.
Food.
No, over there.
I was in soups or salads. That
You
would have been
can stay
bad.
there.
No, thank you. I would have probably gotten
Oh, this is making me nervous.
shrimp marinara with angel hair pasta. How in the heck am I going to do shrimp marinara with angel hair pasta?
I'll tell you what, you'll figure it out. You will figure it out.
All right, I'll figure it out.
Yay! That's what
my
you're doing.
gosh, it's a doozy.
Yay! I love it. All right, it's my turn, and I feel nothing but
What
good.
you got there? Oh, just some deep fried shrimp marinara with angel hair pasta. It's just the usual Saturday night dinner.
All right, now,
let's see what you got.
Come on, I feel good. I feel lucky.
Well, I'm glad you
I got the Fried Daddy's God with me. Yes, Fried Daddy Mojo. Come on.
Oh.
Pork. All right, I could live with pork.
Yes, well, you do.
I gotta. Chris.
What?
I love it. Are you calling yourself a porky?
No.
No, that's rude.
Okay. Pulled.
pulled pork quesadilla. I am taking this. I am taking this.
Okay.
Yes. Ooh.
I love pulled pork quesadillas.
I know. I am
That's
going
a
to
humdinger.
have a wonderful time. I'm doing it. Pulled pork.
All right.
I can't even talk it.
Now we got to decide if we're going to make it. I want to see how you're making pulled pork quesadillas.
Who knows? I could get it from someplace.
You could. Or if we're going to go get it, and then how in the world we're going to deep fry it.
All right, let's go.
Okay, so of course, I'm deep frying shrimp marinara with angel hair pasta. Okay, so this may be one of the most difficult things I've ever had to do. So I got to figure out how I'm going to deep fry it. And I have to say, shrimp marinara is one of my favorite things to make in the whole wide world. But obviously, one of the most important ingredients is the marinara sauce. And I don't have any. Usually, I have some frozen. So I'm just going to do the next best thing, and that's going to go to our favorite hole-in-the-wall mom-and-pop Italian place. That is just, everything they make is excellent, and I love it to pieces. They have a great shrimp marinara. I think I'm going to get a little extra marinara on the side, maybe as a dipping sauce, and then I've just got to really figure out how in the world I'm going to deep fry this. Okay, here we go. It smells so good in there. I love it so much. Okay, as I was in there smelling the deliciousness, I got to thinking, I got to figure out how I am going to make this all come together so I can deep fry it. So, I have not yet used the old binder card, which means you can add something to kind of bring it all together. So I know you're not really supposed to have cheese and seafood, but shrimp is, I think, the exception, like shrimp parmesan you can do. So, I'm going to do this. I'm going to put some mozzarella in there. I'm going to let it cool off a little bit, and then we're going to roll it into a ball, and then I'm going to bread it, deep fry it, and it's going to be something. It's going to be good.
Yay! I got pulled pork quesadillas. I love pulled pork, and I love quesadillas. So I'm going to buy my pulled pork from our favorite little barbecue joint. But, get this. I'm gonna make my own quesadilla. I love it. Now I just gotta figure out how I'm gonna fry it. Oh well. We'll figure it out. Hi, could I get a pound of pulled pork? Thank you so much. You too. I got it. Now let's fry it up. But how am I gonna fry it up? You know what? I think I'm gonna do like a light batter. Not even a batter, maybe just like egg and flour. How's that? I think that'd be great.
Okay, here we are again at the fryer.
I love it.
Oh,
I love
the
it.
dear old fryer.
Yeah,
So
we got a little smarter and put on gloves.
yeah.
So we
It's
don't
easier
get
to get rid of that mitten. So
I love it.
That looks so good. I
Look
want
at
to eat it right now.
I know. Look at my quesadilla. It is so what I did.
You
real
made
quick,
it.
I know. I love it. Well, I bought the pulled pork from our favorite little barbecue place.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
But yeah, I could have made it myself, but that would take 12 hours.
True, and we didn't have that.
But this is so easy and it's so good. So I got my skillet all heated up and I threw some oil in there. And then I put my tortilla down. I used fajita size so it's more manageable. And then I put in some cheese, which is the cheddar and pepper jack. Then I threw on my pulled pork. Threw some barbecue sauce on there, some more cheese, put my top on, and then I flipped it. And look at that. That's gorgeous.
It was great after you put your top on. I was like, boy, you're getting hot.
Wait, then real quick, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use flour and egg, but I'm going to season up this flour with a little of our barbecue rub.
Ooh.
This is about 2 teaspoons.
Lovely.
And is it tablespoons maybe? No, I use teaspoons.
Yeah.
And then I'm just going to mix that in there.
Fabulous.
I'm just going for it, Chris.
So you're doing a fusion of like our two favorite things, barbecue and Tex-Mex and Mexican.
Yes!
Wow.
Wait, and so I'm just going to get this, I'm going to oil up my tortilla here so that my flour will stick.
Oh, that's a good idea. That's a good idea. Okay,
All right.
so now while you're doing that, I'm going to tell you what I've done over here. I told you I was really like, okay, this is not going to work. I fried pasta. Then I got to thinking, I bet somewhere in Italy, maybe France, dude. I bet
They're next door to each other.
They are. Someone is making an incredible thing of fried pasta. So I mean, fried ravioli is one thing, but why am I talking so much? Okay, so what I did, I was thinking ahead, and I wanted to make it a little more manageable. So I let it cool cooled down in the little pot or the little pan that they gave it to me, and I dumped it out on the cutting board and just started. I didn't want those big old pieces of shrimp, even though shrimp are shrimpy. I wanted them to be more manageable because I'm going to ball these into a ball. So I cut it up. Then I dumped it into my skillet, heated it up. Then I just Are you already done? Oh no. Okay.
Yeah. I'll keep going.
So you're going to dredge, yeah?
Yeah, I'm going to dredge. Dredging.
He's dredging, so I'm going to kill time with my little project over here. And then what did I do? Oh, then I added. I told you I was going to add some mozzarella, just a little bit to kind of pull it together. But I thought a little Parmesan would be good too. And I didn't do too much, and it just started doing its magic. And now look at that. And then I've let it completely cool. So I'm going to get the spoon out of the way, and I'm going to just start forming balls. And you guys are just going to have to. Let's all say a little prayer, shall we?
I'm so. Yours is a little mad scientist there.
Why does it always seems to be that way? I always get these like crazy, like, okay, what are you doing?
Chris, these gloves were so perfect.
Yeah, they were a good idea. Okay.
Oh,
okay.
Wow.
So far, so good.
Yeah.
These are going to be deep. I mean, these may replace meatballs and become like, spaghetti and deep fried pasta balls. I'd eat them. Well, I shouldn't say that. I haven't done them. So
I love it. Deep fried pasta balls. But isn't that arancini?
No, that's
that's rice.
That's rice. That's risotto.
Risotto, yes.
Which are delicious. So this is, it's only fitting that we're now doing. How are you doing? Oh, you're already
I'm
ready.
waiting.
Oh, I'm sorry. I thought you would take forever. Well. My little mad scientist ones, you just never remember.
I love it. I'm just adding more flour. These are gonna be as crunchy as I'll get out.
I think that's a good idea.
Crunchy as I'll get out.
As I'll get out. Is that what you said?
I said I'll get out.
As you'll get out. Okay. Well,
how are you doing?
I think I'm okay. I
Yeah?
mean, we're gonna see. I always like to do another dredging, but I think we're pretty good. Maybe I'll just.
Oh, I knew it. I knew it. Get that. Okay.
I agree. I like them to be crunchy. Okay. Well, once again,
I'm so excited for these.
I'm excited for those too. I'm not sure how I feel about these.
All right.
Okay.
Do you got another one over there?
I've got two.
Are you gonna drop them both in?
Yes. Well, there's.
All right.
Okay.
All right.
Here we
Ready? Let's go. Ooh-wee.
Okay.
Oh,
Well,
Lord.
all right. Now is the time that we just sit back and hold our breath and
Yeah, and
wait.
take our gloves
wow,
off.
mine are like meteorites. They're not moving.
Yours aren't even.
They're like. Oh. Well,
What is that about?
it takes a little while for it to do its magic.
Oh, that's so funny.
Okay. Wesley, look at those. Yours are float. Mine.
Wow. Mine look like tacos.
Look at those.
Oh.
Wow.
Chris.
I know.
Those look amazing.
I mean, they're beautiful. We'll see. But I mean.
Oh, wow. How is it?
Well, I should have gotten
A tongue.
tongs or something.
Yeah.
We're gonna drain these on a little paper towel.
Oh, y'all.
Holy Toledo, that looks great. I guarantee you, there's an Italian restaurant somewhere that is serving these. I just know it.
Chris, those look really, really good.
They look
I'm just
fun.
gonna get these a little.
Those.
These are gonna be.
Yeah, they're gonna be excruciatingly hot.
Oh. Okay.
You got a little. Oh, that's a good idea. You got a little barbecue sauce. I've got some of their, the marinara from our favorite little shop.
I want to make sure everybody can see that.
I'm just gonna dribble this right over the top.
Oh, I'm gonna dunk. Y'all.
I think Dunkin's a good idea. I'm gonna put some over yours too.
Oh, this is gonna be. Oh, I can already feel it, Chris. It is hot.
Well,
The things we do for Fridays.
things we do for love.
All right, I am going to take a little dip.
I'm gonna cut into mine.
You know what? Yeah, me too. It's too hot.
Oh, that is fun.
Let me get this little piece right here. Oh, listen to that. Crunch.
Guys, and look, there's a little cheese in there.
Oh, hold on, I'm gonna dunk it in my.
Yeah, that'll cool it off. I'm so excited about this. I seriously, I think we're moving on to something. How is it? I'm sensing it's a home run.
It is. I'm not gonna say yet.
Okay.
I'm not gonna say yet, but if you can tell from my body language.
I can tell. Well, I'm feeling the same way over here on this side of the
All right,
island.
Do a little piece, cut it. because it's a little hot.
Okay.
But yeah, put plenty of that sauce on there.
I will. Oh, wow.
Yeah, it's like it's so. That, oh,
Okay. That's restaurant quality.
Ah!
I would order that at a restaurant. Just as I would order this.
That is almost like an arancini type feel to it.
And it has that elevated, really just delicious.
That is, all right.
You go first this time. I open it.
This is delicious. Very delicious. I would order it at a restaurant. So it's a fry. Yay!
Let me tell you, this is so unique. It's so everything we said. It's the combination of brisket, barbecue.
Yeah, pork.
And the
Pulled pork.
Mexican, and it's
Yeah.
got that barbecue sauce, and it's deep fried, it's crispy.
It's
it is
so
a
good.
fry super yay!
Yay!
You guys.
I love it. We've been hitting them out of the park.
Well, these definitely. We love it.
I'm gonna go back for more.
I know. I'm going to go back for more too, and I hope you do too. We love you so much.
See you next Friday.
See you next Friday.